Welcome to my channel. Macard WiFi Extender Setup. Macard Extender setup via browser http://my.macard.online or https://go.macard.online. First and foremost, grab your phone or computer and go to its Wi-Fi list. In your Wi-Fi list, you will see your extender showing up with its default name. It comes up as Wi-Fi Extender. Connect to it. Next, open a browser on the very same device, and on the very top of the browser, in the address bar, type 192.168.10.1 and hit enter. Now, among the list of all the available networks that it shows, kindly select your main router's network name. As you do that, it will ask you to type its password for confirmation. The password is case sensitive, so you just need to type your password as it is. Hit Save Settings next. The extender will reboot within the next 60 seconds. Next, go to your Wi-Fi list. There, you will see newly set up Wi-Fi Extender network name showing up as your home network name and plus suffix. So, for example, if your Wi-Fi network name is Joe's Family, then your extender will show up in your Wi-Fi list as Joe's Family Plus. You can tap on this network and type the same password as your router to connect to it. Moreover, now you can connect your smart TV, Roku, Alexa, etc. to the Macard Wi-Fi Extender. So, this is how you can set up your Macard Cryo 360 Wi-Fi booster via browser. Just in case none of the above mentioned steps work, then we recommend you to reset the extender. Thanks for watching.